Are you developing a CAM application?
Optimize your application workflows thanks to Spatial software development kits. Avoid spending time developing common industry features. Save time and focus on your IP, what makes you unique. Thanks to our SDKs, you can embed industry-specific APIs in your applications. Import any part or assembly from any CAD or CAM software. Import the model's PMIs in graphical and semantic form. Benefit from full CAD associativity for automatic reconfiguration of your machines. Perform automatic feature recognition and defeaturing of your models. Perform modeling operations and direct editing on your models. Visualize the results of your toolpath generations.
Those industry-leading companies trusted Spatial to develop their CAM applications.
Spatial. It's more than 35 years of CAD experience, more than 400 clients in the world, and more than 1 million final users using Spatial SDKs-based applications. Let's build together your next engineering application.